girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. I have a great song here for you guys. It's called Caskets. It's with Inpatient, Ren Chris Webby. A cool song, and it goes in this way that I just played for you through the entire song almost. Okay, so it's pretty much this corporation. Let's go into it together. Before we move on here, I want to highlight my new YouTube channel. It's called Growing Guitar 6 Strings Ago. Link up here. You will learn a full song from the beginning till the very end. It's a full playthrough, chords shown, easy peasy. So if you want to thank me in some way, you go and check out my new channel, subscribe to that, and follow and support me there. Thank you so much, guys. Now let's look into Caskets. We're gonna look into the chords without any capo. We're gonna start with F. So that's a bar chord. You place index finger like this on the first fret. You push down all strings there. Then you need to add third A, third D, and second G. We have C next. That goes third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. Let's move on to A minor. That goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. Then we have the E7. We're gonna go with the shorter version of it, okay? So that goes second D, first G, third B, and open E. And then finally we have the last chord, which is the E7/D. That's the D in the bass instead. So it's the exact same grip, but instead of having that second D, you have that open D instead. That gets the open D in the bass. So open D, first G, third B, and open E. That's the E7/D, and that's all the chords we need to handle. Now let's go into the strumming pattern. We're gonna learn that with the first chord, which is the F, okay? So we have a two-part strumming here. So the first part, or actually I can play the full round for you. So it goes like this. Okay, so it starts with the two first downs, and that is the part one. And I like to play the first down on the bass string, and then I answer with the second down on the higher strings down there. So it goes like this, okay? That's part one, and then you're gonna continue with part two, which is up, down, up. That's it. So up, down, up. So together it's down, down, up, down, up. That's one round. A couple of rounds. Okay, so let's start with this corporation. The first part is to play F, one full round. That means down, down, up, down, up. And then C, one full round. And then A minor, one full round, plus part one, which is the down, down. And then comes the melody, which is play like this. On the A string, it's the second fret A and third A. And that kind of replaces the part two, okay? So instead of playing two full rounds, which you could do if you want to, you can start like that, to play F, one full round, C, one full round, and A minor, two full rounds, just to practice the strumming. Or you can do in the same way as they play here, F, one full round, C, one full round, A minor, one full round, plus part one, plus this added notes, second to third A. So slowly it goes like this. Okay, that's the first part. The next part is to play F, one full round, C, one full round, and then E7, two full rounds. So that goes like this. Okay, and just some technical stuff here. To go from C to E7 is very easy because you have this C, you keep that middle finger on that second fret D string, and you work around that to get the E7 chord, okay? So from C, you have something to build upon, and that is the second fret D string. You have that, and you switch to this, okay? So that is the second part, F1, C1, and E7, 2. Now we have the third part, and that goes F1, C1, and then comes E7 part 1, just a down, down, then the E7/D, part 1 again, then A minor, part 1, And then you have that melody, the 2nd fret to 3rd fret A string. And that is the final thing in this 3rd round, okay? So you're gonna play F1, C1, E7 part 1, E7/D part 1, A minor part 1, plus the melody. Slowly it goes like this. Okay, and then we're gonna follow up this with the 4th part, which is F1, C1, and E7 2. Yeah, it goes. And all this will spin round and round and round almost through the entire song. So I'm going to play one full round for you. I'm going to take down the tempo for a little bit so you understand what's going on. Let's do it. Okay, that is pretty much 90% of the song. But then we have this bridge. It starts about 2 minutes and 6 seconds in. Raise the toast. I think that is where we are in the lyrics. Now, what you're going to play here is 8 rounds of the following chord progression. You're going to play F, 1 full round, C, 1 full round, E7, 1 full round, and A minor, 1 full round. You're going to play that for 8 times. So one round goes like this. 8 rounds of that. Then you're gonna jump back into that main part we just learned, the big chord progression, and just play that till the final ending. And that is how you handle Caskets. Ren, Chris, a great combo there. Great song. Hope you enjoyed this, and until next time, play tuned.